Hi guys, we shall discuss about volume and surface in this video. Firstly, we shall discuss about the surface and volume of a right circular cylinder. What is a cylinder? In general, a cylinder is a solid whose cross section is uniform and the plane surfaces at the two ends are parallel to each other. A cylinder has two circular plane surfaces at the top and at the bottom. Apart from these two, it also has a curved surface. The radius of the two circular plane surfaces is equal to each other. Therefore, the areas of these two plane surfaces are equal. The straight line joining the centers of these two circles is called as the axis of that cylinder. Any straight line on the curved surface which is parallel to the axis of the cylinder is called as a generator of that cylinder. As we discussed, the area of the top face and the bottom face are equal, and the curved surface would always be a rectangle. So we have discussed about a cylinder so far. Let's discuss about the right circular cylinder, and importantly we shall discuss how to calculate the surface and the volume of a right circular cylinder. So firstly, we shall discuss how to calculate the surface of a right circular cylinder. Like a normal cylinder, a right circular cylinder has three faces: top face, bottom face, and curved face. Top face and bottom face are right circular and equal to each other. Therefore, by calculating the area of these three surfaces, we can calculate the area of a right circular cylinder. If we take these two circles separately and if we cut the curved surface of the cylinder along the generator and open out it, we can obtain a rectangle. Then by calculating the surface of the top face, bottom face and the rectangle, we can calculate the surface of a right circular cylinder. So let's calculate the surface of a right circular cylinder. So let's take the radius of the cross section of the cylinder as r and the height of the cylinder as h. Now we are going to create a formula to calculate the surface of a right circular cylinder. We all know the area of a circle is calculated using the formula pi r squared. However, we need the area of two circles here. Therefore, the area of two circles is 2 pi r squared. Now we need to find the area of the curved surface. We know that if we cut the curved surface of the cylinder along a generator and open out it, we can obtain a rectangle. Therefore, the surface of the curved surface can be obtained by multiplying the length of one side by the length of the other side. The length of one side is h, that is the height of the cylinder. Now we need to find the length of the other side. If we bend the rectangle and make a roll out of it, it would perfectly fit with the perimeter of the circular face of the cylinder. Because as we know, we opened up that curved surface to make a rectangle. Therefore, the perimeter of the circular face of the cylinder is equal to the length of the other side of the rectangle. Since the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, the length of the other side of the rectangle is also 2 pi r. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 2 pi r h. Now we have all three areas which are essential to find the surface of a right circular cylinder. The area of the top face is pi r squared and the area of the bottom face is also pi r squared. Therefore, the area of two faces is 2 pi r squared. And we have found the area of the curved shaped rectangle, that is 2 pi r h. Therefore, the surface of a right circular cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. That is 2 pi r times r plus h. So guys, so far we discussed about the surface of a right circular cylinder. Let's talk how to find the volume of a right circular cylinder now. Before that, what is the volume of a solid? Simply, the volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies, or if you fill a solid with water, the amount of water it contains is called as the volume of that solid. In general, volume is measured cubic centimeter or cubic meter. However, cubic meter is used as a universally acceptable measurement. So let's discuss the way of calculating the volume of a right circular cylinder. As we know, the top face and the bottom face of a right circular cylinder are equal to each other. Therefore, if we multiply the area of cross section of the cylinder by its height, we can find the volume of a right circular cylinder. So let's find the volume of a right circular cylinder. So let's assume the radius of the cross section of a right circular cylinder as r, and let's assume its height as h. Therefore, by multiplying the area of the cross section by its height, we can find the volume of it. Actually, a right circular cylinder can be imagined as a piled up collection of circles. For example, if you take one CD, that is a circle. But if you have a collection of piled up CDs, then it would become as a right circular cylinder. Therefore, we can simply calculate the volume of a right circular cylinder by multiplying the area of a circle by the number of circles we have. That is the height of the cylinder. Therefore, the volume of a right circular cylinder is pi r squared times h. That is pi r squared h. So guys, we discussed how to find the surface and volume of a right circular cylinder in this video. We shall talk about prism in the next video. Thank you.